Kia ora, Mr. Cook Islands, and how are you feeling?
Kia ora, JJ. Feeling a bit tired up here, but excited also.
You want to say hello to the people back home in Mangaia?
Kia ora, nā te tangata o Mangaia. E kama te kasinga koto kātoto e te tangata o te Cook Islands.
Excellent. Okay, Donna, let's please select a question. One from the top. Ms. Cook Islands, your question is based on tourism. What do you think are positive and negative impacts if a 500-room development hotel were put up on a small island country? Let me repeat that for you. The question is on tourism. What do you think are the positive and negative impacts if a 500-room development hotel were put up on a small island country?
Thank you, JJ. Well, the positives of that is that there will be more tourism coming to their island, and also be better for their island to promote their culture and their traditions to the tourists who come here to experience that, or go to that country to experience that. Also give a chance to the people of that country to get more employment and also better or more income for their economy. The negative of that will be, I feel, if it was my country, that we would slowly lose our traditional values, such as if that island had traditional values of shopping on a Sunday. I feel that more visitors that come over may like to shop on a Sunday, but it is against our traditional values. Not only that, there are other things, like there's always a positive and negative to one thing, but we should use tourism to our benefit. Kia ora na eke manuia.
This is the Mount of Ms. Cook Islands.